So now we will going to teach you how you can create your thumbnail. But there's one more thing. After description, you also have to add some hashtags as well. Now, for example, just put this hash, okay, which you can see here. And for example, your is related to affiliate marketing, right? So just select this, again put hashtag. So it basically will going to help you to rank your videos. You can just choose make money like this, okay? And similarly you can just put again whatever you want, okay? But so you have to put the hashtag, at least three hashtag you have to put. Again you can just search for affiliate marketing, just select affiliate, okay? So in this way you have to put at least one and maximum five hashtags. So this will also going to help you to rank your video. So first you have put beautiful high SEO optimized title, you have also put SEO optimized description, and you have also put hashtag to rank your video more. Okay, just click on save button, and now we will going to add the thumbnail. So for thumbnail, again you can just use this Canva tool, click on this create a design and just search here YouTube thumbnail, select this one YouTube thumbnail, and now here we will going to directly search if we get something that is related to affiliate marketing. Here you will going to get these templates. You can directly choose this template here like this, whatever you want, and you can customize it, how to make online money, or let's say how to make money, or let's make it more great. Oops, sorry, let's put it here, how to make money with, you can just drag it here, okay? You can make it small, how to make money, just put, okay, how to make money with affiliate marketing, okay? If just drag it here more, okay? And if you want, you can even make it this as well, and you can just put something attractive, catchy like this here. So we have created the thumbnail as well, okay? So now it's looking very great, okay? If you want it, you can just make it kind of small, okay, like this, how to make money with, and you can just put marketing up like this. Oops, how to make money with affiliate marketing. And if you want it to go down, just click here and under, okay, sorry, here line spacing, and here you can just increase it like this, okay? Now it's looking great, make money with affiliate marketing. You can just select this and you can just move it up. You can also make it like this, okay? And if you want to remove it, you can. So this has become your thumbnail. Now you just need to go to share, just download it, and now just click on this download button. Now your thumbnail will be downloaded. That's it. So it's super simple, super easy to create your YouTube thumbnail. Now you can see it is downloaded, and if I will open it, here is the thumbnail, okay? Now just go to your kind of YouTube channel, which is here, upload the thumbnail, okay? So you just need to verify it, but the thing is that after you will verify with your phone number, you can just click on this upload and you can just upload it, you can save it, and then from the unlisted you can make it to public, click on done button, and again save it, and your video will be available to public on YouTube, okay? So it is that simple, my friends, okay? So this is how you can just create YouTube, and this is how you can just optimize your YouTube videos, okay? And there's one more thing which I just wanted to tell you. just go to this website. It will be very much helpful for you, which is kukucourses.com website. Just click on enter, everything in small. Okay, and then here you can see basically, let's wait. And then under the courses, you will see we have plenty and tons of courses at a very affordable price. So you can see these are all the courses on YouTube, mutual fund, Google Drive, okay, Facebook ads course, and there are plenty more amazing courses, okay, like designing, Canva. Okay, even we have the Canva course as well, 9 hours Canva course, SEO course, video editing course, Facebook ads course, and we have plenty and plenty of courses on this particular website. Okay, so now how much it will going to cost? It will only going to cost you, dollar 20 per year or a lifetime. So if you try to buy our courses individually, it will going to cost you more. But if you can go, you can even subscribe to our yearly plan, or even you can just go with the lifetime plan. Okay, you can just contact in the live chat. We can just give you 50% discount on the lifetime plan if you want. So you can just live chat here, or the best option is to go and click on the WhatsApp button. uh, okay, so this will uh, help you to get some discount on our offer. We will going to give you lifetime in the 50% discount as well. Okay, unlimited courses you will get, unlimited premium support, everything. And when we will going to launch new courses, you will also going to get new courses for absolutely free as well. So this is the website you should be preferring. Okay, you should prefer basically.